up, I think we're still working on the work program for the next 2 years. But definitely, we will include that. Especially on opportunity, especially medicines yan, delikado. It endangers lives. So, definitely, we would concentrate more of that in the coming months.
Sir, since naghanap po nga po yung fake medicines, it means na meron po talaga mga bumibili. So, how do consumers identify whether fake medicine?
Siguro napansin nyo na during the pandemic, di ba naglalabas yung nila parang comparison kung ano yung fake, ano yung original, di ba? Ano yung dapat tignan. So, pag mga ganun, so we encourage more of the farmers to share information. Kasi sila lang talaga yung sila lang yung expert na makakapagsabi na original na fake. In fact, even our law enforcers, nahihirapan din dyan eh. Kaya tuloy-tuloy kami na together with the brand owners, mga product identification seminars, workshops. And this coming July na yung trademark summit. So, meron dedicated day doon for enforcement din. So, we invited mga yung laging pinipake ng mga product identification sila for the information and of our law enforcement agencies and the public. So,
ano po ba?
SMR.
Ano po ba yung effect, sir, nung halimbawa po nakatake sila ng fake na, halimbawa, Biogesi? Ano pa po ba epekto nun? Is it mas okay? Kasi di ba meron din po tayong yung generic, di ba, na tinatawag. So, ano po ba yung effect nung makakainom sila ng peke na Biogesi?
Ang usual na naman yata dyan, walang effect. Dahil hindi siya gamot. Parang placebo lang, di ba? So, ginaya lang yung ganyan. Ginaya yung gano'n. Pero walang ingredient na magpapagaling sa'yo.
So, mai-recommend nyo po ba kung, kasi di ba yung ibang mga kababayan natin, kaya hindi naman nila tinitignan madalas kung totoo ba yan o ano. Pero syempre pag nakita nila na mas cheaper yung kaysa dun sa bibili sila sa isang Mercury Drug o Super South, di ba, na drugstore. Tapos mas cheaper, Biogesic siya pero mas mura. Madalas yun yung nagiging suki na yan ng mga bumibili. So, would you rather recommend kung talagang naghanap sila ng cheaper pero effective, is to use the generic medicines?
Yeah, mas okay na rin siguro yung generics dahil recognize din naman ng government yun as effective medicine. And para sa mga kababayan natin, bumili lang po tayo sa mga reputable na tindahan, butika, para po sigurado na original po yung gamot na pinipili.
Thank you, sir.
Kanina nakikinig radio program sa karamihan daw ng mga nabibenta mga fake na gamot sa online. Ano yung plano ng IPOPH? Ano yung plano coordinate with Facebook and other? Kasi yung kanina naman ng isang nagsalita sa radio.
Working relationship with all the online platforms, including Meta, dahil sila yung number one source of complaints online. Unfortunately, hindi pa sila signatory sa e-commerce MOU. But kahit na hindi sila signatory, actively coordinating naman sila. In fact, we just had an IP bootcamp with Meta and all the other online platform sellers, Zalora, Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. So, sa mga fake na mga medicines, yung primary mandate na is FDA. And FDA is a member of the NSA. So, we coordinate, we meet on a regular basis. And doon, sinishare yung mga reports, accomplishments. And even before the meeting, kung meron kami nakikita na sa IPO na alanganin ng mga post and may mga complaints na yung we call the attention of the FDA and we coordinate directly with Facebook. And based on experience, mabilis naman yung action nila. In fact, di ba before may nahuli na nag-live selling ng mga bags. So yun, it was coordinated effort between IPO, NBI, and the rights owner.
This is very prevalent na duty-free. Pinafake yung Facebook pages, nagbebenta ko yan ganitong ticket o sa Rimowa, no, na magtataka ka, no. Pero marami kasing gullible na mga netizens na papatulan kasi akala nga lang talaga pan, no. Ano pa yung
So yun ang problema nila, daming gumagaya ng website nila. And nakaka-receive na lang sila ng complaints ng consumers na bumili. So hopefully lalabas na yung implementing rules and regulations ng internet transactions. So with that, the Secretary of Trade and Industry is given the authority to request for site blocking ng mga websites. Kasi ngayon, we have a voluntary site blocking mechanism together with the LDT, Smart, Globe, Skype, dito. But it only covers usually pirated sites.
Yung sa internet transactions kasi when the IRR is going to be issued, it also covers extraterritoriality, which means that even if the seller is not here, the arm of the law can reach the seller kasi meron siyang provision mo. And then it covers e-retailers, specifically sa batas, kaya they cannot hide behind also the platforms, pwede silang diretsuhin din, at saka very hefty yung penalties. So, hopefully, when that's there, although we know that, syempre yung ating mga very shrewd mga negosyante, the ITA is not a one-size-fits-all. It cannot solve all the problems as well, but it will address many of the challenges now that on online sales.
So we would see a significant reduction.
That will be maintained by DTI, and siguro it will be complemented with also educating consumers kasi nga magkakaroon ng trust market. So parang right now, di ba, for supermarkets and groceries, meron po yan ibang still, alam mo, compliant sila sa mga fair trade laws. Ngayon, magkakaroon ng trust mark doon sa landing page ng kanilang site, doon sa mga seller. So, ikaw yung buyer, mas magkumpiyansa ka kasi registered, pwede mong idulog sa DTI, madali din ang huli ng DTI, alamin kung contact details. Kasi the problem now really is the fly-by-night. I mean, they sell now, then if you're going to complain, they're just going to change the name and resurrect under another name. So I think that there will be a lot of improvements.
What will be the criteria for verification? Let's say, are they going to submit, let's say, identity, billing address?
I know that ongoing yan because there is going to be, what I know about the ITA is that there is a mother IRR and there are going to be parang mga anak-anak because it will, for instance, for the trustmark, parang may kaanak yan the registry. So hindi po sila tapos naman. So to how they are going to be identified. So I think that what is important is that the mother eye on our side, because there will be things that can